Hey guys, welcome back. I was so excited yesterday to dive right into a challenge that I totally forgot to record the intro. But all I could tell you is that so much fun. If you guys want to try it, try it. I recommend it. Those wings are good. And I'm not going to give you too many details. You got to watch the video. But I will tell you that I had no makeup. We had just finished working out, so it's raw footage. It's looking a little crazy, but oh well, we got it done. If you guys have any more suggestions to new challenges, comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you can get notifications every time that I post a video. Share the love, guys, okay? Let's get into it. Ooh, they're spicy. The smell is real. Say hi.
Hi.
We are going to try the spiciest wing from Wingstop. We only have to eat two. We're going to try to eat two. One will be without anything, and the other one, only if needed, we'll try with a dressing. I have blue cheese, and he doesn't want to try anything. So, let's see how well he does. And of course, we have our cups of water with a bunch of ice in case we want to punk out. All right, grab your wing. Oh, these are big. Ooh, are you sure? Ooh, are you ready? You ready? 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 Go. They're not that bad. I take it back. It's bad. It's horrible. Oh. How are you even? Ah.
You're not that spicy. Like, you're not like the spiciest thing I've ever tasted.
But they're spicy. They burn. You get your next one? That one's too small.
I got a big one.
Oh, I'm doing blue cheese.
Can I drink water?
No. You don't. Are you sure you want cheese? Okay. Go.
I can't. My throat hurts.
I think that made it worse. Woo. I can feel it just burning down. Woo. Look, you can see the chili.
Can I drink water after we finish?
After we finish. I think the longer we take, it burns more.
I'm ready to go.
Are you crying? I'm about to cry. Oh!
I finished.
Why are you drinking so quick? It sticks to the side of your tongue.
It can't off, Mom.
The lips. That's good. That's real good.
Mom's not taking off.
You know how I feel like that cartoon when it has like fire blowing out of your ears? They go like that.
It's in my ears.
like sweating. I think it's good. From 1 to 10, how hot do you think, Terry?
Good 10.
I'm gonna say like an 8. Like I really think it's like a solid 8.
It's not taking off.
Would you do it again? No? Why not?
It's too spicy.
Are you crying? Let me see. You crying? No, like, ooh. Like, lo siento right here. Seasoning. Here. On the side of the tongue. Ooh, it's crazy. I would probably do it again. I mean, it is a solid 8, but I really think we did good. We did good. So I'm gonna enjoy my mango habanero ones, which probably are not gonna be spicy at all compared to these. But that was good. That was real good. Yeah, I think the spiciness for me is like gone. Like, yeah, ya se me quitó. Like a little here, but